first, let me just talk about the culottes. This is how the culottes look like. These pants that I have are from Zara. Let us first start by what is a culotte. Now, culotte is basically these wide leg pants that you get, but these pants end at your ankle. कई बार ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर भी रहता है, but in my case, because I'm like not very tall, it just sits at my ankle. तो culottes basically आपकी ankle या उससे ऊपर length में होते हैं, and they're basically these wide leg, super comfortable trousers. Culottes usually tight होते हैं waist से and they fall down beautifully. I know I need to change my phone cover, but for this video, this is very, very important, the pop socket. I know I need to get it changed, so can you please ignore that for this video. So let's talk about the first way how to style a culotte. I think so it's very, very simple. It's by styling it with a t-shirt. Now this t-shirt that I'm wearing, it's a beautiful t-shirt, and I got this t-shirt from H&M like years ago. It's just a very simple t-shirt, and as you can see, if you don't tuck it in, it just looks so bad, like so bad. So how I like to tuck this in is, मैं ये सारा gather ले आती हूँ, I just twist it and I put it in. And voila. So this is how I like to tuck in my t-shirts. As you can clearly see, t-shirt tuck करने से ही इतना major difference आ गया है. If you are ever wearing culottes, make sure to always tuck it in, because that just instantly elevates the look. I think so this look is super simple. It's appropriate for everybody. I think so ये look कोई भी पहन सकता है. Apart from the tucking thing, what more you can do is roll up the sleeves. As you can see here I've not rolled up the sleeves, and it's fine, you can wear it like this, but I just think so rolling up a t-shirt makes it a bit more cool. One thing that I want to mention here is wearing the right tones when it comes to like white. Now I will show you an example abhi जिसमें white t-shirt would not work with this. So in what not to do, I just want to point out this thing that wearing two different shades, I feel it does not work. You can see now clearly, मैंने ये white पहना है, you can clearly see कि this is more like a ecru sort of a color, and what I'm wearing on top is like a white, pure block of white, and this is more ecru, and somehow it just doesn't look nice to the eye. I honestly don't know whether that's just me, but I just feel this just does not go together. Instead, I would prefer wearing like a creamish sort of a blouse, just so that entire look looks put together. So like you saw, white इसके साथ नहीं जा रहा था, because this and that was just looking two different blocks of white, and वो साथ में वर्क नहीं कर रहा था. But I think so wearing like, अगर आपके पास कुछ भी off white है, wearing it with a more cream tone than a white, because like you saw, white बहुत ही ज़्यादा contrast दे रहा था and it was not looking that nice. This shade looks much better with an off white. It just makes the entire look more put together. So this is the first look. I love how there is brown in this t-shirt, and जो ये buttons है, tortoiseshell buttons, they're just going together. Now I have paired them very simply with a pop of color. I'm just wearing them with simple pink slider sort of a thing, but I have these slippers जो golden color में, I think so वो बहुत सुंदर लगेगी. So just let me. Okay, I've changed. मैंने golden slippers नहीं पहनी है, but I have found like these brown tan sandals which are from Zara. मैंने ये 3-4 साल पहले ली थी. They are kind of falling apart, but Zara अभी भी इनको बनाता है in like a lot of colors. I would highly recommend these pair of sandals because I love them and I've worn them so much. I think if I was just popping out of the house, this is something that I would completely wear. It's super comfortable, it's wearable, and it's perfect for the summer months and very casual. If I had to carry a bag, I would carry this bag with it. This bag, you guys, is so cute. It's a transparent bag. It's from Zara. I would actually carry this bag with this, you guys, because ये transparent है. That means it's not fighting with the outfit. It's just plain simple. Every girl needs a transparent bag because you can wear it with everything. Like अगर मैं ये bag सारी looks के साथ पहनूं, ये bag जाएगा सारी looks के साथ. I love how this outfit is super simple. So yeah, that is my first look. For my second look, you guys, I want to talk about a linen blazer. How important it is for every girl to have one linen blazer. Now the fact that you can tell it's a linen blazer is that it will crease very easily, but that comes with the territory of having a linen blazer. If you know me, you would know I love blazers, and I think so summers mein linen blazers are your best friend. I rolled up the sleeves to make it a little bit less formal, जो मैंने फर्स्ट लुक में ये टी शर्ट पहनी है, मैंने इसी के ऊपर एक लिनन ब्लेजर पहन लिया है एंड दिस लुक्स मोर पुट टुगेदर नाउ. आई कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर दिस ब्लेजर ओवर दिस टी शर्ट ऑल्सो, बट हाउ आई विल स्टाइल दिस ब्लेजर, hold on a second. I've changed the top, you guys. I'm just wearing this simple top which is like a spaggy top that I got from Zara. Zara में ये basics वो करते रहते हैं year after year. You can just pick them in bunch of different colors. By the way guys, it's about to rain anytime, so if the lighting is not good, I apologize. This is again something I would wear when I just want to wear like a pantsuit, but it's not actually a pantsuit and I want to dress it down. I will just pop on some sneakers. So that is look number 2. Okay, I didn't speak about the bag, you guys. I would actually carry this cream color ka bag. It's like very popular. So it's just a tiny bag that you're carrying, goes with the entire look. You can see the entire look is very basic, but just adding this bag, which is very trendy these days, like the baguette styles. So if I just pop this over on my shoulder, you can see that this bag is very current and it just makes the entire outfit look more put together. So yeah, for bag, I think so I would carry this bag. Next, let's move on to a fun way of wearing a culotte, which is by wearing it with a fun blouse. I don't know why the color is looking a bit washed out, but I think so wearing your culottes with a bright color in a blouse format makes it look very put together. I have no idea why it's looking so dull in my mirror, but I just love how put together this look looks. I'm also one of those people जो safe options हमेशा pair करता है. The generic way of wearing these culottes would be just with a white top, black top. That's about it. But I think so if you add a fun element and you just do like a bit of matchy, it just makes the entire look so put together. So as you can see, I've done like a matchy thing with my shoes and my blouse, and it instantly brings everything together. And the white in the top just matches with the white in the culottes, so there is just some coordination going on in the entire look. The polka dots are matching with the pants, the green is matching with the shoes, and yeah, I love this look. If I had a white bag, I would have worn it with a white bag, but मेरे पास वो नहीं है, so I would probably wear it with a clear transparent bag. This is why I am a firm believer कि हर एक लड़की के पास एक clear transparent bag होना चाहिए, because it just elevates you. You can wear this kind of bag with any outfit and वो हमेशा अच्छा दिखेगा. This is how I would style if I'm going out for like let's say dinner with my family, or if you work in an office. अभी तो कोई भी नहीं जा रहा है office due to COVID, but like office wear के लिए भी I think so this is very chic, very put together, like you're ready for promotion kind of outfit. So yeah, this is my third outfit. So the next look is more of a nighttime appropriate, dinner appropriate outfit, which is just wearing sheer. Now I got this blouse 100 rupees, I want to say, from Sarojini Nagar, and it's just a beautiful blouse. It's like a shirt. This is like a shirt, and I have tucked one bit in. पीछे से I've tucked one bit in, and the दूसरा I've left out. You can definitely tuck both parts in and wear it like this. Just like the look of having one side of the shirt popping out. It's a bit more casual, I want to say, like casual, relaxed. You didn't put much thought to your outfit. Wait, I'll just tuck this out also a bit. So you didn't put much thought to your outfit, you just chucked it on and you go. I love effortless style of dressing. I would wear this with my black bag, because I just want to bring black together from like my shoes. I'm wearing these super high heels. If it's a nighttime look, I have to wear it with my heels. I love these heels, you guys. They're from Zara. They're super high, not very comfortable, but for a night out will do. So black ye heels hai in this leather thing. Then this bag is for 500 rupees, got it from Sarojini, and this blouse is also from Sarojini. I'm wearing like a chain, chunky chain. ये बहुत trendy है आजकल. Actually ये इस बैग में लगी हुई थी, बैग से निकाल के मैंने chain की तरह इसको पहन दिया है. I would probably wear that to just complete the entire look. I like this look. It's very chic and very effortless. That's the word that comes to my mind. So that is the fourth look. Can you hear the thunderstorms, you guys? Okay, quick update. It has started to rain, you guys. but I'm not gonna stop this video over here. Another way of wearing culottes is wearing it with off-shoulder tops. Now I have this lovely white top which is from this brand Alaya over on Myntra से मैंने लिया था 3-4 साल पहले. It's got these beautiful sleeves. Like, how beautiful is the sleeves? If you can see, it has lemon print all over, which I love, and I love how it looks with this culottes. Now the reason मैंने matchy फिर से किया है, I've worn these lovely neon yellow heels. They're from Aldo. Got it years ago from Aldo. तो ये yellow के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहा है, but it's just helping. Like yellow heels यहाँ पे is just helping yellow lemons का उभारने में, if that makes any sense. The reason why I love wearing culottes के साथ off the shoulder top is the juxtaposition that it gives. Now I've spoken about this a lot in my videos. Whenever you're wearing full length anything, showing a bit of skin on top makes it look so elegant. It doesn't look too much, it just looks completely balanced. So for example, अगर मैंने एक full sleeve top पहना है तो उसके साथ एक mini skirt effortlessly chic इसलिए लगती है because there's this juxtaposition. So similarly इस case में भी because ये pants almost full length है, just showing your shoulder makes it look more chic, more put together. So this is one of those perfect summer outfit which you can wear when it's hot but it's comfortable, easy breezy. यहाँ से है, ऊपर से भी you get like aeration from here which is lovely. So yeah, I honestly love wearing off the shoulder with like pants. I would actually go with a clear bag with this look because I just want the top to be the hero. Okay, the next outfit that I want to show you is actually for all of the girls who love wearing crop tops. You can wear any sort of a crop top, it doesn't matter. Culottes के साथ crop tops actually अच्छे लगते हैं. Make sure it's a fitted crop top because ये बहुत loose है. Now this is a lovely wrap style tie and dye top which I got from Sarojini. I want to say for 100 rupees. I love how this is looking with these pants. I think so it looks fabulous. What do you guys think? Cloths में usually कोई definition नहीं होती है, so you cannot really see your curves. They're just like straight up and down. So by wearing like a fitted top, fitted crop top on top, you can add definition. Always remember balance is the key. तो अगर आप कुछ loose पहन रहे हो ऊपर से, just wearing something a bit fitted on top always is a plus point. I think the juxtaposition even in like the fit, let's say ये बहुत loose है तो just wearing something fitted on top makes such a huge difference. It's a very simple detail but it makes so much difference, you guys. I wanted to include a crop top option also because I know a lot of you will love wearing crop tops. So this is my option for you. I never liked tie and dye but now I can't wait to add more pieces into my closet. For the last look, you guys, you need any kimono, any long jacket that you have. I love this kimono. Again, got it from Sarojini for a fraction of price. If you haven't seen Sarojini, Nagar Hall on my channel, you should definitely check it out. But the whole concept of this is because इसमें बहुत white है, and can you see इसका जो end है, it just completely blends into my culottes. So you can wear this with something underneath. I'm not wearing anything, I'm just wearing my bra. The whole idea of this look is to just belt it. Wait, let me just belt it for you. Okay, so as you can see, I've just put like a chain belt across my waist and I love how simple and chic this look looks. The best part is कि इसमें भी pockets है, which I absolutely love. If you don't want the entire like banda hua kimono look, you can definitely separate it a bit if you want, like this, and wear it. I think so this look looks very cute. I would honestly wear this for lunch. Like this is so like brunch vibes. It's a very flowy, very chic. I love the fact कि satin material में है. I would just wear it with a simple bag and simple like comfortable heels. These are these padded heels which I got from Zara. Most of my shoes are from Zara, you guys. मेरे पास जो ये cape thing है guys, ये बिल्कुल ही ऐसा लग रहा है कि the culottes are a part of this. It's like an extension of the cape, which I love. Just go to a closet, find if you have a kimono, a jacket, long jacket, try to put it over your culottes. You would think कि ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Maybe अगर इसकी length यहाँ तक होती तो ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. Just because it's below my knee, it just blends in beautifully. Just a very simple outfit, but it makes an impact because of this beautiful cape and the way I've belted it. You can definitely leave it open if you want, but I would wear it like this. सो दैट्स इट गाइज फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई रियली होप आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो इन्जॉय की. कॉमेंट्स में प्लीज़ मुझे बताना कौन सी लुक वॉज योर फेवरेट, कौन सी स्टाइलिंग वीडियोज़ यू वॉन्ट टू सी फ्रॉम मी इन द फ्यूचर. एंड इफ़ यू न्यू हियर प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले. इट वुड रियली हेल्प मी आउट. आई लव you all very much. Please take care of yourself. I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.